The 2024 Kia Sorento Hybrid stands firm as an appealing choice for those in the market for a rugged yet fuel-efficient three-row SUV. This iteration maintains most features from the preceding year, bringing about only slight modifications in color selections and trim options. Notably, the removal of the Runway Red paint choice has paved the way for a new combination, the Gravity Blue paint paired with a navy interior pack, offering navy perforated leather seats that sport a hint of blue on the steering wheel. This revamp in the interior also includes a switch from a black headliner to a gray one, enhancing the contrast and overall aesthetic appeal. Importantly, the Sorento Hybrid retains its impressive fuel efficiency, boasting a best-in-class 37 mpg, ensuring a cost-effective and eco-friendly drive. In terms of trim levels, the vehicle offers three well-appointed options: EX and SXP. The pricing structure, excluding the $1,325 destination charge, is as follows: $36,690 for the EX FWD, $38,990 for the EX AWD, and $42,490 for the SXP model. Powering this SUV is a 1.6T gas direct injection GDI I-4 engine, paired with a 44 kW motor and a 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering a robust performance of 227 horsepower and 258 pound-ft of torque. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, estimates the following fuel economy figures for the Sorento Hybrid: 39/35/37 mpg, city/highway/combined, for the FWD model, and 36/33/34 mpg, city/highway/combined, for the AWD model.